back to my YouTube channel, Salesforce Automation Testing. So guys, today we will learn about the Salesforce application, how to automate Salesforce applications. So guys, till that we have learned that we have followed this 10 steps, and we are able to create one Java program and one Selenium program. So we have automated these things, right? So today we will learn about the Salesforce automation testing. So guys, let's get started, right? So for the Salesforce automation testings, before we start, you should would say you have to create and follow these steps, right? You should first create one Java program basic knowledge, and then you can have some knowledge about the Selenium, what is Selenium, and how we can configure Selenium in our project, right? How to create the first Selenium program, right? Then you can start directly automate the Salesforce applications, because I will recommend you to do this activity before start the Salesforce automation testing. So because if you are aware about those things, and these things, the automated Salesforce testing will make it easy for you, right? So guys, let's get started. So till that this is a Selenium first program that we have run, and we open the Chrome browser and it will lead to the Google. We have created the first Java program over here right now. So we are going to create one project of the Salesforce. So for that we are just go to the new, create one Java project. I will say one Java. I will say Salesforce testing. Module, I don't want to create a module. So here you can see that there are some Java library over here, right? I will create the one package. So package language section. Package that it's SFDC. Okay, so the SFDC, it's abbreviations like Salesforce.com, right? So I will give a name of the. Always make sure to use this kind of approach when you start the project, right? It will easy to make you understand, right? So here this is .com SFDC. So under this package I will create one class, that is first Salesforce, right? So guys, once you start the Salesforce testing, so I think I'm just if people who are not aware of about Salesforce, right, what is Salesforce and what is technology they are used, so I just recommend you to create first create one just write down a Salesforce sign up. So here you can see that there are lots of options over here. Click on the Salesforce developers links, which will navigate to the Salesforce sign up. So here you have to sign up as a user, right, in order to run your application. So you make sure that you should have a CRM, Salesforce CRM credential, right, in order to automate your Salesforce testings, right? So I'm just closing these things, right? So right now I'm choosing initializer driver, Okay guys, so first make sure that you have to import the Selenium files, Selenium jars, right, in order to so here in the class box you have to add the external jar. The external jar itself is a Selenium, nothing but it's Selenium. So I will import. Again I will click over here and import rest of the. So here you can see that there are some jar files are related to Selenium I have imported here. Now I will start, it will start showing me suggestion. Got it guys? So I will create the one variable that's a driver and which browser. So I will say I wanted Chrome browser. Right, so simply write down a Chrome over here. Now the driver dot get right. So now it should be as www.salesforce.com, right? Again write down always guys keep doing the habit that always do the driver dot close, because right now if you haven't if you don't close these browsers while opening, you have to close the browsers manually, and one of the process that will remains over here in the taskbar, that is Chrome driver. Like you can see over there, the Chrome driver will always be open if you don't quit or don't close your browsers, right? So that's why I keep telling you that you do always the driver dot close or driver dot quit, right? So out of these things you can do that. Okay, now let's get started. So again there is some error related to the path directories to the Chrome driver. So again said that my last session I told you that before we start we should always give a path related to the when the Chrome driver would invoke, right? So I will simply give even name over here, make a system dot set property, right? And I will give a name over here, the driver so guys I'm doing these things because you will get a habit to do the same, right? So I will just copy that part over here which I already have over. And simply paste it, right? Here I just forgot to write down a code. So again I will create some thread over here, thread dot slip. So after this time your browser will close automatically. Then there is some exceptions. So here I have some exceptions. Let's start. So as you can see that the Salesforce website Salesforce it's open, right? So the code will hit the Salesforce applications, right? So let's get started to dive more in a deep, right? till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you guys.